Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Dogecoin. I wanted to do a video on this because I actually saw, well, earlier this morning we actually gained quite a lot of momentum, so that's why I saw it. But I also think technically we are actually shifting into some sort of an uptrend. Meme coins have performed quite well already, so that's both a good thing and a bad thing for Dogecoin, all right? Because the good thing is that, well, if meme coins continue to perform, Dogecoin is usually a late performer, all right? So it tends to rally a little bit later than the other coins, so that means that we still have potential. But you could also say is that, all right, well, meme coins have already rallied and Dogecoin hasn't done anything. Why is it so weak? So it depends on your perspective, but we actually gained some momentum earlier today. Dogecoin against Bitcoin is trying to get some sort of a breakout, even though it's very early to say that. But no, there's reason enough to be interested in Dogecoin. I mean, here you can see the momentum. Like the open interest has absolutely rocketed since yesterday afternoon, which spiked earlier today. Got a few huge buy orders coming in. So now the question is all right, well, what will this turn into? Because a lot of those long orders were also sold off in the last 2 hours, probably like 3 hours ago when you're watching this video. So what's going on? What can we expect? Well, if we look at first of all, gaining momentum like this is actually good, right? Because the momentum for Dogecoin has basically been flat for the last weeks, all right? So we have not done much. We got a nice bullish breakout right here above 11.5 cents, which if you zoom out to the higher time frames, that was 100% necessary as well. But right now we're kind of in that area where we are shifting from a downtrend to an uptrend, and you do need momentum to break out of that downtrend. So we haven't done that yet, but I do think, I mean, if you look at the market circumstances right now, if you look at Bitcoin, and if you look at the general market right now, I would expect that the market continues to be bullish. And if the market continues to be bullish, I would expect that Dogecoin will follow that as well. And for Dogecoin specifically, like I said, if you zoom out to those higher time frames, you can see that the trend bands right here kind of switching. So that doesn't necessarily mean that we're bullish. That could also be the start of a consolidation. But we also broke above this downtrend right here, this trend line. So for me, I would say, given those technical bullish confirmations, in combination with the narrative of memes performing well, in combination with the market and my expectations for the market, I would say that it is most likely that if you look at Dogecoin right now, like the main resistance level is like 13 cents. I would say it's most likely that we will actually be able to break above 13 cents and to rally up to that next price target, which, like, there's a lot of resistance very close above us. But I would say some sort of a level right here at 14.5 cents would be a good first price target. So that is what I expect, all right? This is, in general, what I expect. I think you can have a good trade if you wait for the breakout right here above 13 cents. Like when we break out and the open interest is also going up, that could be a good area to buy. That's at least that's at least what I'm looking at, all right? But short term, due to the loss of momentum, not necessarily, but due to the sell-off we saw, I think this will happen eventually. I'm not convinced about it on the short term, all right? Obviously, it can happen because the circumstances are good right now in the markets, but I would say it's a little bit more likely on the short term that we'll do something like this. And then eventually somewhere in the next week, maybe week and a half, I think we can do this. But I would not trade this chop right here. I would wait for the breakout, then consider taking a trade. Until then, just have your price alert ready and your positions ready, all right? But those are my thoughts, all right? That's what I think about Dogecoin for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.